my name is Heather and welcome to Food Lovin' Family. Today I'm going to share how easy it is to make frozen french fries in your air fryer. This was one of the first things I ever made in my air fryer. They turn out nice and crispy. Everybody loves them and you can make them in minutes. So a couple tips for you when you're cooking frozen french fries in the air fryer. Number one, you want to make sure not to overcrowd your frying basket. The air fryer cooks by circulating hot air around the food, and if you have too many french fries in your basket, then they won't get that nice and crispy texture. My other tip is halfway through cooking, make sure to take out the basket and give it a nice shake, or use some tongs and toss the french fries. This again will help just ensure nice even cooking with the french fries, again making them nice and crispy. So let's get started.
We're going to set our air fryer temperature to 400 degrees and 10 minutes. At the halfway mark, we're going to take them out and give it a good shake. This helps to get them fully cooked. Now they're done. It's a great time to season if you like. I'm adding some seasoned salt, and enjoy.